Welcome back to the video. So we're here for Ken's, sorry, we're here for my Gemini gifts. So today we are going to do the bunch of surprises of my own for these toys. So first up, it's Women's Day Word Finds, Volume 127. Well, that's a lot of books, huh? But that's definitely a woman, huh? 5-minute magical stories, huh? Featuring unicorns, mermaids, and other magical creatures. McDonald's The Minecraft Movie. It's the grass block and llama. Oh look, it's a Supergirl. I bet you could do a Burger King toy with that does, huh? Yep, that's a Supergirl. It's plastic now. Oh boy. Diamond Block and Steve, huh? That looks like another toy to Minecraft, huh? Hidden Messages Word Finds. Now, 96 pages. The only place where housework becomes needlework is in the dictionary. Mark Twain. The Book of Kings. Magnificent monarchs, nervous nobles, and distinguished dudes who rule the world. Long live the king, huh? Okay. PJ Masks Power Heroes. Night Ninja. The Ninjaga. I bet Gwen's gotta be a favorite thing about the PJ Mask. So, I'll open it. Looky here. It's the Night Ninja. Still definitely a knight. Now let's see what the card says. Night Ninja is on a mission to defeat our heroes. Ah, I know that, huh? Dork Diaries. How to dork your diary. Dork it yourself. Discover what type of diary is right for you. Learn how to use code words for super secret entries. The most important tip ever, do not use your diary. Look, it's the Lego Star Wars Doorables exclusive figure and card. That's definitely a surprise now. I just go with the robot then. Ooh, look at the older one. Look at the old man, huh? It says Baylan Skoll. I'll keep that as a collection, huh? Ooh, look, DVDs. Ooh, Twister, The Dark Side of Nature. A Gale Force movie. The special effects are spectacular. Lady and a Tramp, the DVD for the 50th anniversary edition. Walt Disney's beloved classic. Pinocchio, the 70th anniversary. Walt Disney's original classic that taught up the world to wish upon a star. Disney's The Little Mermaid, 2-disc special edition. Disney's Under the Sea collection. Oh look, it's the Lilo and Stitch collection. I wanted to get a golden Stitch. Oh man, that's not a golden Stitch. That's just, well, you know, Stitch. The Nightmare Before Christmas. But it's halfway to Halloween on Disney Channel, but you know what they say. I want the Santa Jack Skellington. So close. You got Oogie Boogie. I know Oogie Boogie is supposed to be a boogeyman this time. Oh well. There's only one thing left. Holy nuts. It's the Ocean Animals. 10 magnificent paintings. But it's under the sea. Sometimes Mermaid is just around the corner. So anyways, we'll see you on Cancer. Bye.